From desperate defense to crushing victory, Soviet aviation transformed the Eastern Front. 25 combat aircraft tell the story. Obsolete biplanes alongside modern fighters, wooden construction and mass production. The Il-2 Sturmovik alone numbered over 36,000. These are the fighters and bombers that defeated the Luftwaffe.
Fighters. Let's begin with the fighters that defended Soviet skies. Yakovlev Yak-9, the Frank. 16,769, produced from 1942, most produced Soviet fighter. Klimov VK-105, liquid-cooled V-12, 1,260 horsepower, armed with 20mm SH-VAK cannon, 12.7mm machine gun, maximum speed 370 miles per hour. 15 variants included anti-tank Yak-9T with 37mm cannon. Reliable, maneuverable, simple to build. Dominated late-war Soviet skies. Lavochkin LA-5, the evolution of failure. 9,920, produced from 1942. Lag GG3 airframe with Shvetsov ASH-82 radial engine, 1,850 horsepower, armed with two 20mm SH-VAK cannons, maximum speed 403 miles per hour. Wooden construction saved aluminum, outperformed Bf-109 below 20,000 feet. Turning point aircraft, restored Soviet air superiority mid-war. Yakovlev Yak-1, the Krasavets, or Beauty, 8,700, produced from 1940, foundation of entire Yak fighter family. Klimov M105 engine, 1,050 horsepower, armed with 20mm cannon, 2 machine guns, maximum speed 360 miles per hour. Mixed construction, wooden wings, steel tube fuselage. Simple handling, high production rate, crucial for 1942 air superiority. Polikarpov 116, the Ishak, or Little Donkey. 8,644, produced from 1934. World's first monoplane fighter with retractable landing gear. Shvetsov M62 radial, 1,000 horsepower, armed with two 20mm cannons, maximum speed 326 miles per hour. Stubby fuselage, difficult to handle. Obsolete by 1941, suffered heavy losses, incredibly rugged in combat. Polikarpov 115, the Chaika, or Seagull, 7,175, produced from 1933. Upper gull-wing biplane fighter. Shvetsov M25 radial, 750 horsepower, armed with four 7.62mm machine guns, maximum speed 228 miles per hour. Spanish Civil War veteran, relegated to night bombing by 1941. Extreme maneuverability at low altitude. Lavochkin Gorbunov Gudkov Lag 3, the lacquered guaranteed coffin. 6,528, produced from 1941. All wooden construction with resin impregnation. Klimov M105 engine, 1,240 horsepower, armed with 20mm cannon, 2 machine guns, maximum speed 348 miles per hour. Heavy, underpowered, notoriously difficult to fly. Later upgrades drastically improved performance before La-5 replacement. Yakovlev Yak-7, the trainer turned fighter. 6,399, produced from 1942. Initially tandem seat trainer conversion. Klimov VK-105 engine, 1,260 horsepower, armed with 20mm cannon, 12.7mm machine gun, maximum speed 361 miles per hour. Rugged construction ensured widespread frontline use. Bridge between Yak-1 and Yak-9. Reliable workhorse throughout war. Lavochkin LA-7, the finest Soviet piston fighter. 5,753 produced from 1944. Refined La-5 with aerodynamic improvements. Shvetsov ASH-82FN radial, 1,850 horsepower. Armed with 3 20mm cannons. Maximum speed 423 miles per hour. Superior to FW190 below 16,000 feet. Top Soviet aces flew this aircraft. Too late for strategic impact. Yakovlev Yak-3, the lightweight killer. 4,848 produced from 1944. Incredibly light, highly responsive airframe. Klimov VK-105 engine, 1,290 horsepower. Armed with 1 20mm cannon, 2 machine guns. Maximum speed 407 miles per hour. Absolute menace in close combat, low altitude. German pilots ordered avoid dogfighting. Arrived late but devastated Luftwaffe remnants. Polikarpov I-153. The Chaika biplane continued. 3,437 produced from 1938. Retractable landing gear on biplane configuration. Shvetsov M62 radial, 1,000 horsepower. Armed with 4 7.62mm machine guns. Maximum speed 266 miles per hour. Upper gull wing design, extreme maneuverability. Last successful combat biplane, relegated to ground attack by 1942. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-3, the high-altitude interceptor. 3,172 produced from 1941. Designed for stratospheric combat. Mikulin AM-35A engine, 1,350 horsepower. Armed with 1 12.7mm, 2 7.62mm machine guns. Maximum speed 398 miles per hour. Excellent above 20,000 feet, poor below. Defended Moscow against high-flying reconnaissance. Difficult handling characteristics, limited effectiveness.
Polikarpov I-15 BIS. The improved Chaika variant, 2,408 produced from 1937. Direct 115 evolution with better performance. Shvetsov M25V radial, 750 horsepower. Armed with 4 7.62mm machine guns. Maximum speed 230 miles per hour. Lower gull wing eliminated pilot visibility issues. Spanish Civil War combat, obsolete by 1941 invasion, used for training. Petlyakov PE-3, the heavy fighter conversion, approximately 360 produced from 1941. PE-2 dive bomber, adapted for night fighting, reconnaissance. Twin Klimov VK-105 engines, 2,520 combined horsepower. Armed with 3 machine guns, 1 20mm cannon. Maximum speed 336 miles per hour. Specialized cameras, heavier forward armament. Limited production overshadowed by PE-2 bomber success. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-1, the troubled prototype. Approximately 100 produced in 1940. First MiG Bureau interceptor, dangerously unstable. Mikulin AM-35A engine, 1,200 horsepower. Armed with 1 12.7mm, 2 7.62mm machine guns. Maximum speed 390 miles per hour. Fast but uncontrollable at speed. Quickly modified, replaced by MiG-3.
proved MiG Bureau capable high-speed fighter development. Bombers. Moving on to the bombers that struck the Wehrmacht. Petliakov PE-2, the Peshka, 11,303 produced from 1940. Most important Soviet light bomber, dive bomber. Twin Klimov VK-105 engines, 2,520 combined horsepower. Armed with 5 machine guns, 1 20mm cannon. Maximum speed 336 miles per hour. 1,000 kilograms bomb load. Fast, successful, dive bombing capable. Speed made interception difficult for early Bf-109s. Tupolev SB, the Katyusha, 6,831 produced from 1934. Advanced mid-1930s design, badly aging by 1941. Twin Klimov M103 engines, 1,920 combined horsepower. Armed with 4 7.62mm machine guns. Maximum speed 280 miles per hour. 600-kilogram bomb load. Served extensively despite obsolescence, incurred heavy losses, replaced by PE-2. Ilyushin IL-4, the long-range bomber. 5,256 produced from 1939. DB-3 redesign with improved performance. Twin Tumansky M88B radials, 2,200 combined horsepower. Armed with 3 machine guns. Maximum speed 265 miles per hour. 2,500 kilogram bomb load. Participated in Berlin raids 1941. Long-range strategic missions throughout war. Tupolev Tu-2, the excellent late arrival. 2,527 produced from 1942. High-performance twin-engine medium bomber. Twin Shvetsov ASH-82FN radials, 3,700 combined horsepower. Armed with 2 20mm cannons, 3 12.7mm machine guns. Maximum speed 342 miles per hour. 3 tons bomb load. Superior to PE-2, easier control. Production delayed, became primary late war bomber. Ilyushin DB-3, the IL-4 predecessor. 1,528 produced from 1936. First Soviet long-range bomber design. Twin Tumansky M85 radials, 1,800 combined horsepower. Armed with 3 machine guns. Maximum speed 270 miles per hour. 2,500 kilogram bomb load. Used extensively early war, evolved into IL-4, important Berlin raids. Tupolev TB-3, the ancient giant. 818 produced from 1930. Massive 4-engine biplane bomber, completely obsolete 1941. 4 Mikulin AM-34 engines, 3,200 combined horsepower. Armed with 8 machine guns. Maximum speed 179 miles per hour. 2,000 kilograms bomb load. Incredibly durable despite age. Used night bombing, Zveno-parasite fighter experiments. Symbolic of Soviet aviation backwardness. Yermolayev, Year 2, the troubled heavy bomber. 462 produced from 1940. Long-range heavy bomber design. Twin Cheromsky ACH-30B diesels, 2,000 combined horsepower. Armed with 3 machine guns. Maximum speed 300 miles per hour. 4,000 kilogram bomb load. Plagued by unreliable engines. Participated early strategic bombing Berlin. Limited production impact. Arkhangelsky AR-2, the modernized SB. Approximately 200 produced from 1940. Deep SB bomber modernization, improved dive bombing. Twin Klimov M105 engines, 2,100 combined horsepower. Armed with machine guns. Maximum speed 313 miles per hour. 1,500 kilogram bomb load. Better aerodynamics, dive bombing capabilities. Frontline career quickly overshadowed by superior PE-2 performance.
Yakovlev, Yak-2, the light bomber prototype, 111 produced in 1940.
Early twin-engine light bomber attempt. Twin Klimov M100, 3 engines, 1,800 combined horsepower, armed with 3 machine guns. Maximum speed 300 miles per hour, 400 kilogram bomb load. Limited production, quickly obsolete, evolved into Yak-4, minimal combat impact. Yakovlev, Yak-4, the night bomber, 100 produced from 1941. Yak-2 evolution for reconnaissance, night bombing. Twin Klimov M100, 5 engines, 2,100 combined horsepower, armed with 2 machine guns. Maximum speed 350 miles per hour, 400 kilogram bomb load. Used reconnaissance missions before replacement. Limited numbers, superseded by specialized designs. Petlyakov, PE-8, the prestige bomber, 93 produced from 1940. Only Soviet 4-engine heavy bomber operational. 4 Mikulin AM-35A engines, 5,400 combined horsepower, armed with 2 20mm cannons, 2 machine guns. Maximum speed 272 miles per hour, 4,000 kilograms bomb load. Prestigious, high-profile missions. Potent symbol Soviet strategic capability despite tiny numbers. From the MiG-1's 100 troubled prototypes to the PE-8's 93 prestige bombers, Soviet aviation evolved through desperation and determination. Obsolete biplanes fought alongside modern monoplane fighters. Wooden construction substituted scarce aluminum. The Yak-9's 16,000 exemplified mass production over sophistication. WW2 earned its coffin nickname before LA-5 redemption. Factories relocated eastward during invasion continued production under impossible conditions. The Il-2 Sturmovik would become history's most produced military aircraft. These fighters and bombers, crude by Western standards, overwhelmed the Luftwaffe through sheer numbers and pilot sacrifice. Strategic bombing remained limited. Air superiority became possible. Part 2 covers the ground attack aircraft and support types that completed Soviet air power.